been like a passing cloud. Look.
Alright, I got
Look,
you
it's not
video.
snowing there, but it's snowing here. Look. It's not snowing there. Look, it's not snowing there. But you know, that's so weird. I just so weird. It's not there.
What the fuck was that, man?
That's awesome. It's probably like a passing cloud. Yeah, cause look,
Oh, I touched it.
Alright, let me try.
I gotta fix this one because it spun on me.
This is where probably my links are gonna come in handy.
Yeah. You have the breakover. Whoa.
Don't let him lie to you.
This almost got you right there.
He's cold as hell. It's nice out here. Look, I got no gloves nothing on.
Try doing no reverse.
I took a video of your baddie.
I thought this was gonna be worse. Well,
Yeah, go down the other one though. This one's gonna get worse, I think. I don't know if you're getting in position yourself.
I do take your baddie.
You said no reverse, John.
Love you guys. I don't want you, but I love you.
yo, that's
There you
gonna.
go. There you go. I don't have the breakover for this. You have to bounce it. Can I hit the gate?
Now you know why I like to find the balance of everything.
Yeah, I got you.
It's something so stupid. I thought, yeah, if somebody could outclimb, yeah, that's fine. It's not kind of what I built the truck for.
Yeah, I'm thinking about going to
Because when you're at a comp, you're gonna wish you had a higher, a higher truck.
Yeah, I don't have the breakover like you. That's a good advantage. Keeping it high and climbing and balance.
Yeah. No one is selling this.
There we go. That's the spot I want to wheel on.
Yeah, be good. You're like stuck in there.
Yeah. I didn't hit the gate yet.
Try to, instead of taking it straight, because
I tried coming up that way.
Try to come up-
reposition myself
Yeah.
to come up that way. Hold on.
try to do an angle since you don't have the
You eat anything yet?
few hot dogs.
I just had one hot dog.
It was, don't get me wrong, brand new.
Waiting for that chicken to come out.
Oh, yeah, don't do that. If it's brand new in the box
happen
with
there.
some very, very
I might be able to do it with the wheel
Nice.
and drop it.
in the box, hopefully it was.
I'm still gonna catch. Watch. I'm still in the exact same spot. Wait, no. Oh,
No, yeah, dude, you're getting hooked.
I get it. But two grand. So I can see the jump off.
You made it though.
yeah. I needed that bump.
Now, if they had like the spectrum system out of like
Bastard. You fucking bastard.
I'm telling you, dude, it's about the clearance.
It is.
Absolutely. You're talking stock and you want 2 grand. I agree 100%. Not working it out.
That's a tricky one.
Yeah, man.
And I ordered some pro lines for these. Jay, what were the pro lines I ordered for these?
Want to get over here? See what you're doing?
They were the military weird.
Hold on back up a little bit.
I know what you're talking about. Yeah, they're on the.
I think this wheel a little bit this way.
But I ordered those.
gonna be
I wanted
tricky
to put
with
them
you.
on, but I ordered the heavy-duty black military rigs, all metal. They're like 109 grams. So I ordered those.
Ah!
And they didn't come
I
in.
don't know if I touched it.
Yeah, you did.
I wasn't gonna put the wheels on.
I touched that one. Let me go right here.